to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. As regards telecommunication tariff hike, representative demand reversal as new pricing begins. House of Representatives gives Abati, Arise News 24 hours to apologize over alleged stupid idiotic comments. I served Tinubu government without pay. Rejected 5 billion naira fraudulent offer, says Fela Durotoye. Now the news in detail. Nigerian telecommunication operators have started implementing the long-awaited 50% tariff hike following regulatory approval from the Nigerian Communications Commission as lawmakers move to halt the rollout, citing economic hardship. The House of Representatives on Tuesday directed the telecom regulator and the Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy to suspend the tariff increase, arguing that Nigerians cannot afford high telecom costs amid rising inflation and the removal of few subsidies. The tariff hike, which had been cleared by the NCC, took effect nationwide on Monday, while MTN, the country's largest telecommunications provider, had already started implementing the revised rate as of Tuesday, while other key players had yet to release their new pricing structure. A senior MTN executive, who requested anonymity due to lack of authorization to speak on the matter, confirmed the development. Yes, we've started updating our price list. However, this process is gradual and we haven't completed it for all products yet. The tariff adjustment primarily affects MTN data plans. For example, 1.5 gig monthly plan, previously priced at 1,000 naira, has now been replaced with a 1.8 gig plan costing 1,500 naira. The source added, from tomorrow, Wednesday, prices of other MTN products will be adjusted. We are doing it in phases. Not all prices went up, some didn't change, but some are below 50%. Meanwhile, the House of Representatives has issued a 24-hour ultimatum to Arise News and veteran journalist Ruben Abati, demanding an apology for what they deemed derogatory comment about the legislature.
It's an absolute demonstration of idiocy. And I think it must be a tragedy for Nigeria to have stupid people sitting in the House of Representatives and pushing stupid proposals.
Honorable Donald Ojogo, raising a point of privilege, cited Abati's description of the House as stupid and idiotic, particularly concerning discussions on the creation of 31 new states. Ojogo clarified that the Deputy Speaker's recent announcement regarding these proposals was a procedural step in response to requests from Nigerians, not a legislative endorsement. He argued that this process has been misinterpreted and sensationalized, leading to Abati's offensive remarks. Ojogo emphasized that Abati's comment, based on this day newspaper report, it's worth noting that both Arise News and this day news share the same ownership, crossed the line of acceptable journalistic practice, while affirming the House's commitment to freedom of the press. However, the House of Representatives has made it clear that failure to issue a timely apology from both Arise News and Ruben Abati will result in further action. And lastly for tonight, leadership coach Fela Durotoye has revealed his rejection of a 5 billion naira fraudulent government contract, highlighting the importance of ethics in leadership. Speaking at a PFN conference, Durotoye described being offered a training contract after initially submitted an invoice of 1.3 billion naira. He was asked to inflate it to a staggering 5 billion naira. The official involved dismissed Durotoye's concerns, claiming it was a compensation for past service to the country. Durotoye refused, switching off his phone amidst mounting pressure. He later learned that the officials were arrested for misappropriating funds from a similar ethic leadership training program.
3 days later, I get a call. Congratulations, fella. You know, you have been given the task, but we looked at the costing and we said it's not possible that this costing could have been, it's most likely that you did not put anything for yourself. I said no, I didn't put anything for myself. I said I told them in that meeting, fella won't put anything for himself. He said, so we decided to put something for you. So we want to put 700 million on top of this thing, so you will get 2 billion, but send us an invoice for 5 billion. And we need that invoice in the next 3 days before they close the account of the for the year. I said, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. He said, what is it that you don't understand, fella? We said, send it in so that we can quickly process it for you. It's already allocated to you, don't worry.
Durotoye also disclosed that he served the Tinubu administration as a special assistant without pay, refusing official vehicle and housing to maintain his integrity. He emphasized that strong moral values are crucial in combating corruption. And that ends the news for tonight. For more news updates and exclusive videos, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.